In this box, I've got 250 grams of atta. This should give you about 6 rotis. So 250 I'm putting into this big bowl. I have 250 mils of water. I'm now going to gradually add the water. And then just slowly stir the water into the flour. I'm going to leave just a little bit while I stir the rest of the water into the flour. I'm just kind of going round in a circular motion so that the flour dries up all the water that I've poured in. And you can see it's starting to gather. Now I'm going to start basically trying to join it together. It's still a little bit dry, but that's why I've got a little bit of water still there. Let's do. So I've just added a bit more water there, so I'm just going to keep mixing. So as you can see, I've used all the water now and the atta's kind of all come together. It's looking a bit more like dough. What I do is I then use 2 hands, and as you can see, I just press down firmly into the atta until, you know, there's no more space to do so. And then I just rotate it by 90 degrees and then fold it over and repeat. Now, as you can see, the atta's still breaking. It doesn't look very smooth, but if you just repeat this process, you'll see that it will begin to change. Versus when I first started, the dough is now just looking a bit more like dough. So when I fold it now, you'll see the difference, how it's all kind of stayed together. There should also be minimal dough stuck to your bowl. It should be relatively clean. So the last thing that you do is, I always just fold it over and then I get a little bit of water and I just cover the dough, not too much, but just wet it basically and make sure it's all covered in water. And then I get a tea towel and I just leave it for 10 minutes to set. After 10 minutes, you would go back to this and knead it just a few more times, and then it will be nice and smooth like you can see here.